Welcome to the new Zoo app, New Hampshire. First thing you're going to do is create an account. Use your email address and create a password. Password needs upper, lower, and a number. Next, it's going to send you an email verification. So log off your app, go into your email, verify the code. It's going to send you a Google number if you have a Gmail account. And once you confirm in the email, it will let you log in. Set up your profile, first name, last name. The screen name alias is if you are going to be on the heart rate monitor screen, if you have one of the Akiro heart rate monitors. If not, we sell Zoo and Blitz ones. They'll be available at your front desk for $35. Registers your max heart rate based off of your age and your weight. If you have a heart rate monitor, you would add it now. On your home page, you will select the More tab on the bottom right to view your barcode. Click the top right, and that's where you'll add in your barcode. Other options are to visit your classes. You don't have to sign into the member portal to do that anymore. So as you saw, the menu, go to class sign up, click on your location, and you can shift through the classes throughout the week and enroll in the one that you would like and drop the ones that you can't make. Back to the home tab, if you go to exercise, that's where you can use your heart rate monitor outside the club. My Body is where you can use the Akiro scales we have inside of the clubs. And if you go to history, you can track with a line graph your history of your exercise and your body weight. Connect will be if we have club notifications for snow days, class cancellations, and childcare.